Get a feel for the 2020 Landrover Discovery Sport. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this boldly stylish Landrover Discovery Sport, the compact luxury SUV that offers impressive off-road capability and upscale comfort. Equipped with all-wheel drive, a plush cabin, and desirable safety and infotainment features, this intrepid exploration machine is sublimely satisfying to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Feel eager for the challenge in this comfortable, capable Discovery Sport. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.